What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the IDD. I'm back with another video. We're gonna have some fire right here, all right? Nothing but fire. It's a little overcast right here, but we still gonna work with it. This is a location I wanted to shoot at before. I shot here actually back in 2020 when I first started, and those pictures look ridiculous, okay? So we gotta revisit this location, and we gotta do it the right way with a little bit of experience under my belt. But this time, what we gonna do? We're gonna compare. Both of these cameras have around the same amount of megapixels, all right? We got the Canon R5 Mark II, and then we have the Nikon Z8, all right? And both of these have 85mm lenses. This is a 1.2, this is a 1.4. I tried to get the 1.2, they didn't have it. So what we're going to see is, can you really see the difference between that f-stop difference, all right? And then we're going to compare the files and see which one you like better, Nikon or Canon, all right? So here to help me, we have Miss Sade. Now, where can we find you at?
_ life of SHADE.
Okay, I'm gonna put that
on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube.
Oh, put that in the bottom left-hand corner. All right. So, are you ready?
Yep.
All right. Let me get right there. You gotta do.
This don't look crazy.
Oh yeah, got a lot going on right there. Lot going on. Yeah. Yep. 1, 2. Yep. 1, 2. 1, 2. And 1, 2. And I'm gonna get something from this, from an angle right here. 1, 2.
I've been given. I pray to God there's a way to see the whole team. Pray to God there's a way to feed the whole family. Yeah. Just the beginning, I promise my mom I'ma get this shit, raise no quitter. I swear to God I'm getting it back and bringing it back, and then we gon' split it. If I was you, I believe me. Clean as the water from Fiji. Yeah, yeah. Doing this for the younger me, and I bet that he wouldn't believe it now. Back then, we ain't no better. Had 100 on the dash with the pedal of the metal.
All right. Here we go. I'm ready for you. Yeah, but the other way. You got a favorite side? There, squat like that. Yeah, squat like that way. Yeah. One, 2. It got darker. 1, 2. There we go. 1, 2. Hold on. Let me get these out the way. All right. Love it, love it. Alright, so we getting some natural light right here. It's looking beautiful. It's an overcast day. So anytime you got an overcast day, the lighting is gonna look great. Perfect. And I'm shooting with the Canon R5 Mark II. And this is the 85 1.2. Perfect, I like that. All right, give me the one where you like turned that way and looked over your shoulder. There you go. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use both cameras, right? But what I'm doing is I'm looking at my composition right now for this shot. And so pretty much I've been kind of using the surrounding, but you know, I kind of like this outdoors vibe. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to incorporate, we got some guys to my left that's playing basketball, so I'm going to kind of have them in the background. Yeah, so I'm gonna have them like in the background. This Canon has some good battery life. I'm not gonna lie, I kept it on the whole time. We've been shooting for a couple hours, and this battery is still good, so it's pretty solid right now. All right, so let me just get my light right. Right there. All right, and we're gonna see what this looks like. 1, 2. I don't know, y'all. This Canon might got something going on against this Nikon now. Yeah. Now, you know, I would love to make some excuses. The Nikon lens is an older lens, all right. But you know, we just gotta see. We just gotta see. All right. 1, 2. 1, 2. All right, here we go. 1, 2. Yep. 1, 2. All right. Boom. That's solid right there.